What is wildlife trafficking? If you've ever wondered about the dark side of the animal trade, you're about to uncover some shocking truths. Let's talk about wildlife trafficking, an issue that affects many of the world's most incredible creatures. Wildlife trafficking involves the illegal trade, smuggling, poaching, capture, or collection of endangered species and protected wildlife. This includes animals, plants, and even products made from them, like ivory, scales, and traditional medicines. Imagine rare lizards, snakes, and birds being cruelly packed into tiny containers with little food, air, or water, just to be shipped around the world. Or picture jaguar fangs being turned into jewelry and shark fins being used for soup. These are just a few examples of the horrific practices involved in wildlife trafficking. This illegal trade is highly profitable, estimated to be worth between $7 and $23 billion annually, making it the fourth largest criminal enterprise globally after drugs, weapons, and human trafficking. It's a trade that involves tranquilizing animals without proper authorization and often results in the death of thousands of animals. Pangolins, for instance, are the most heavily trafficked mammals, with over 1 million of them killed and traded in the past 15 years. They are hunted for their scales and meat, which are used in traditional medicine and as a symbol of wealth. African elephants are another prime target, with their populations declining by 30% between 2007 and 2014 due to the demand for ivory. Tigers are also victims of this trade, with their numbers drastically reduced due to poaching, illegal trade, and habitat loss. Only about 3,800 tigers remain in the wild, and the illegal trade continues to threaten their survival. The demand for these animals and their parts is driven by markets in countries like China and the United States. To combat this, it's crucial to support organizations that work to protect these species and to make informed choices when making purchases. Always ask where the product came from and if it requires any special permits. By voting for stronger wildlife laws, questioning the origin of products, and supporting conservation efforts, we can all play a role in ending wildlife trafficking and protecting the world's biodiversity. Remember, no purchase is worth the life of an endangered species, and every small action can make a big difference.